Hi there, this is Jo Baird of Jo's Crafty Hook, and in today's video tutorial I am going to be showing you how to do the extended double crochet cross stitch. As you can see, I have a swatch here, and as you can see, the cross stitch is a little bigger than most because you're using the extended double crochet. Okay, so the double crochet for the cross stitch, as you can see here, they're making an X. Okay, they're making an X, and that's considered your cross stitch because you're crossing over a double crochet and then you're going behind it to finish the X. So if you're a little confused, I'll be showing you how to do that. And as you can see here, I have a swatch that is the regular double crochet cross stitch. Okay, so as you can see, you're still seeing the cross stitch there, but when you put it next to the extended double crochet cross stitch, you can definitely see it has more height in it than a regular cross stitch. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and get started in making our extended double crochet cross stitch. Okay, we're going to go ahead and get started with our extended double crochet cross stitch. Yes, that is a mouthful, but we're going to go ahead and get started. And for the purpose of this video, it is a good idea to start out with a row of your extended double crochet. This is the best way for you to practice your extended double crochet cross stitches. And then also I do have a helpful video tutorial that shows you how to do the extended double crochet. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and get started, and we're going to do our extended double crochet cross stitches here. So like I said, I have my baseline here for the doing the cross stitches, and what you need to remember is with your cross stitches you need to have an even count of stitches, okay, because your cross stitches are going to take a multiple of 2. Okay, so you're going to have a multiple of 2, and then on each end you're just going to add an extended double crochet. Okay, so here I have 8 extended double crochet. So if you want to go ahead and do those, so what we're going to do is we are going to chain 4 right at the end of our extended double crochet row, because your chain 4 is actually going to count as an extended double crochet. So we're going to chain 4, 2, 3, 4, and then we're going to turn our work. And again, your chain 4 counts as your first stitch as an extended double crochet. Okay, now we're going to do the cross stitch, okay, because you are going to skip a stitch and then do your extended double crochet here, and then you're going to go back into your skip stitch and do an extended double crochet there. Okay, so you want to yarn over, skip a stitch, insert your hook into that next stitch. So here you have your 3 loops on your hook. Now this is where the extended part comes in. So you're going to yarn over and you're going to pull through 1 loop only. So yarn over, pull through 1 loop. And that gives you the extended part of your double crochet, because then you're just going to finish this as a regular double crochet because you have 3 loops on your hook. So you're going to yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and then yarn over and pull through your last 2 loops. Okay, so here we have our first extended double crochet. We skipped a stitch, and then we did an extended double crochet in that next stitch. So now we are going to do an extended double crochet in that skip stitch. So you yarn over, and you're going to go behind that extended double crochet you just made. You're going to come out the front, and then you're going to go into that skipped stitch. So I like to fold my row down because this makes it easier for you to complete the stitch. So you're coming out the back, you're going to yarn over and pull through your stitch. So, and then you see here you're working in the back of that stitch. Okay, so next you're just going to do your extended double crochet. Okay, so you yarn over, and you're going to pull through 1 loop only, and then you have 3 loops on your hook. You're going to yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and then yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Okay, and there you see you have your first cross stitch, or that X. You have one going across the front, and then you have the one going behind your stitch. Okay, so let's do that again. We're going to yarn over, we're going to skip that next stitch and do an extended double crochet in the next stitch. So yarn over, insert your hook into the stitch, yarn over and pull through. You have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through 1 loop only. Okay, then you have 3 loops on your hook, and then you're just going to do a double crochet. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Okay, so now we're going to do an extended double crochet in that skipped stitch. So you're going to yarn over, go behind the extended double crochet you just made, come out the back to the front, and then you're going to insert your hook into that skip stitch, yarn over and pull through. Okay, so there you see your 3 loops on your hook. You're going to yarn over and pull through the first loop only, and then yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and then yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Okay, so we're going to do that one more time. We're going to skip a stitch and do an extended double crochet in that next stitch. So yarn over, insert your hook into that stitch, yarn over and pull through. You got 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 1 loop only. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and then yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops. So again, we're going to do an extended double crochet in that skip stitch. So we're going to yarn over, go behind that extended double crochet you just made, go behind it, and then you come out the front, and then go into that skipped stitch. Yarn over and pull through a loop. Okay, so yarn over, pull through 1 loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and then yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops. And then we're just going to do a regular double crochet in the top of that chain 4 that we made for our double crochet, extended double crochet base. I can never get that right. Okay, so we're just going to do a regular extended double crochet there. So yarn over, pull through 1 loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and then yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. Okay, and there you see you have your first row of your extended excuse me, extended double crochet cross stitch. And next I want to show you how you do your cross stitches, extended cross stitches for your next row. because you're just going to build and build and build your cross stitches on top of each other for every row. Okay, so again, we're going to chain 4 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're going to turn our work, and that chain 4 counts as your first extended double crochet. Okay, and this is the same way that you did your previous row. You are going to skip that first stitch, and then you're going to do an extended double crochet in that next stitch. So yarn over, insert your hook into that stitch, yarn over and pull through, yarn over, pull through 1 loop, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. Okay, so we're just going to go back into that skip stitch. So you're going to yarn over, go behind the one you just made, and go into the skipped stitch. Yarn over and pull through. So there you have your 3 loops. So you're going to yarn over, pull through 1 loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and then yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Okay, so there you have your first extended double crochet cross stitch right on top of the one from the previous row. So as you can see, they're going the same way as the previous row. So we'll do that a couple more times to the end of our row. So we're going to yarn over, skip a stitch, go into that next stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 1 loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and then yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, go back into that skipped stitch and do your extended double crochet. Yarn over, pull through 1 loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and then yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. And there's your next one. Okay, so we have 1 more here. Skip a stitch, do your extended double crochet in your next stitch, yarn over, pull through 1 loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and then yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. Okay, so you're going to yarn over and you're going to do your extended double crochet in that skipped stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 1 loop, sorry about that. So again, yarn over, pull through 1 loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the last. Okay, and then we're just going to do extended double crochet in the top of that chain 4 space. Okay, and there you have 2 rows of your extended double crochet cross stitch. Okay, so if you need to, you can rewind the video and you can just repeat your extended double crochet cross stitches to give you more practice, so you can just, you know, whatever you're working on, you can go on and on and on like I did here. Okay, so again, you see kind of that lacy, holy look where you got holes here with the cross stitches, and again, you can see your little X's here that complete your cross stitch. Thank you for joining me. I hope to see you next time at Joe's Crafty Hook.